Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome for you today. What do we have? Potato omelette. And guess what? It's only 3 ingredients. Please don't count salt as an ingredient. You're going to break my rhythm here. So let's get going. Now just take a look at this. It's absolutely perfect. You can put some sour cream on it. You know, you can serve this as a side dish or just as a meal, the way I like it, even for breakfast. This is absolutely great. You're just going to love it. Your family will beg for more. So make a lot, and guess what? Let me show you how to put this all together. Now first we have to shred the potato. Now here I'm using the robot, and I'm using this smaller hole on this side, which is inverted upwards towards the potato. But you know, you can use the shredder like this. Just use the smaller or medium size shredding. Don't use the other ones because it'll be harder to cook. Now let's peel about 2 potatoes, say about 2 pounds, 1.5, 2 pounds. And let's add 1 onion. Now it's important to peel the potatoes because something is just going to be mushy. Let's get it all shredded at once in the machine here. Okay, grab yourself a large bowl and grab a kitchen towel or a cheesecloth, whatever you have, and I want you to take the shredded potatoes and put it right in the middle like that. And if you look at it and the size, this is exactly what I want. Any bigger, it will give us problems in cooking. And now wrap the towel around the potatoes, and I want you to squeeze and squeeze. Ladies, if you cannot do this, ask your man to do this. He can squeeze this perfectly. Try to get as much of the water out as possible. Now this is what I want. Potatoes are still moist, but most of the water is gone. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt, or more if you would like, and about 2 to 3 beaten eggs. Now here I'm using 3 because that's just the way I like it here, but you can use only 2. And let's stir it really well. I need it to be stirred in the eggs perfectly mixed with the potatoes, just like this. Get yourself a Teflon pan, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's stir it around a little bit like this, making sure it's hot. And now just take your mixture and just pour it right into the pan. Now what I want you to do is spread it around, and I want you to pat it down to make sure that is absolutely even, just like this. Get the corners in, try to make sure there's no pockets, and basically this is exactly what I want. Now bring it down to medium heat, cover it, and I only want to cover it for about 10 minutes. And now leave it uncovered for another 10 to 12 minutes, but please keep an eye on it and check it. Okay, it's been almost 25 minutes. I checked the bottom to see if it was crisp just by sneaking into a corner. I want you to put a flat plate on it like this, to flip it over. Don't worry, just relax. You're not going to drop it. And now just put the mixture right back in, let it go for another 10-15 minutes, and voila, you're done. So at this time, all I can say is thank you from Tony and Cooking Around, and I hope you enjoy, and see you again on my next cooking video.